Hey, Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here, and today we're making a simple red beans and rice, so let's do what we do. Let's make it happen. Chicken broth, red kidney beans, butter, bell pepper, celery, garlic, red onion, rice, onion powder, hot sauce, olive oil, salt and pepper, and water. I added some chicken broth to a saucepan and brought it to a boil. I added the rice and butter. Then I brought the rice and broth back to a boil. I reduced the heat to low, covered the pot, and cooked the rice for 18 minutes because on my stove, that's when it's done. I added some olive oil to a nonstick pan over medium heat and cooked and stirred the onions, the bell pepper, and the celery. When they were almost soft, I added the garlic and cooked and stirred the mixture for about another minute. Then I turned the heat to low. Next, I added a drained and rinsed can of red kidney beans, the salt, the pepper, the hot sauce, and this is my own Scotch bonnet sauce, and it's delicious and very fruity. Love this stuff. I also added a little onion powder and some water. I cooked the beans and vegetables for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. I brought over the pot with the rice and gently stirred in the beans. You can find this tasty recipe at chefkendra.wulu.com. You know I got you. Hey, never miss something tasty by hitting that subscribe button. Also, I want to thank my Patreon for your support. That's all for this week. I'll see you next week. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.